16. They got the good stuff on that.
We got a little bit of a channel starting in the bottom of that pipe there. Almost looks like a crack. I think it's just rust and corrosion built up. I don't think the pipe is cracked, but it's definitely channeled down there, right? You can see that flaking off. Cast iron there, junction.
Where do you think you're at right there? I mean, foot scissors to tell you how far you've gone?
Yeah, I'm 10 feet from.
10 feet, so you're under the deck.
Yep.
Hang on a second. I need to sit down and walk and not in between, man. I can't stand still for a long time. I'm not gonna nervous because my hips and knees so good that I keep them.
I gotta be careful. These types of pipes are pretty hard on our equipment, but especially without running water.
Well, and on those top ones, they had a more aggressive. Of course, the snake is more aggressive, but they had a medium one and a large one, and they went to them. But they didn't get any further than you did. They didn't get to here. I'm on that cord. Looks like there's enough to go all the way to the alley. Have you seen an intersection yet?
Yeah, you see that? That's where we got, I think.
That's somebody coming in?
That's a different pipe material there.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't look like it's bad connection. Just
That's how many feet? 15 feet. So
right
that's.
there. So we're in the backyard.
That's, yeah, just past the patio.
Yeah, this is ABS pipe. Well,
Whatever it is, looks good.
looks like. You can see we got rid of the rust and corrosion anyway.
Yep.
And then yeah, that's where the side pipe comes in. That might be your RV dump, maybe. Where it ties in.
Would you care if I ran the water and you tell me if that's it?
Sure. We'll dump some water out there. We'll check it.
Got it.
So we're trying to see if this is an RV hookup, an RV dump into the main sewer system here, because this well, he's going to dump some water in it right now. We're going to check to see if the water flows, but I don't see anything yet. No water came out of that. That might be the laundry. That might be the laundry, yeah.
Okay. You don't see any water yet?
No, I didn't see anything.
Let's try to see.
Yep. You got it.
There's your laundry.
That's your laundry drain. We'll probably run into your other drain here in a second.
Shut that off.
Okay.
Yeah, if you'll just do a full report on everything we're doing here, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll put
And,
everything
you know, I understand, I told him, I said, you know, I could be your best friend for the next few weeks before you move in this place. Got another ins and outs.
Yeah, the inside of the pipe definitely got a little bit of corrosion, or not corrosion, but just gunk built up on it. You can see.
It looks pretty slick for sewer pipe.
We're starting to get into, you know what this is? See those bumps?
Those what?
This is Orangeburg likely. Start getting a lot of those bumps. It's either, it could be an Orangeburg pipe. You see that bump coming in?
What?
It's called Orangeburg down here. They used it a little bit. It's basically cardboard covered with tar paper. They did it in the 50s, 40s, 50s, some.
So that's way out in the yard though, right?
That's way out in the yard. It's really easy to get to.
Yeah.
Yeah. But like, if you got that warranty plan, that should help, definitely. Because yeah, what'll happen is this thing will start pushing in because it's just like a 5-ply, say, of Christmas paper wrapping the tube in the middle, but bigger, and then they just put tar over the top of it.
Yeah.
So at this age, you're 70 years old, 60, 70 years old, it's gonna have some problems. But you know, for the condition of the pipe, it's not that bad for the age.
We're mixing making that low.
Let's go down into clay. We got a little bit of an offset there. Clay pipe. A little bit of a blockage there. Oh, unstuck. What's that?
It looks like a piece of rock or something.
Looks like a pad. Starting to break up a little bit. I don't know. Could be a towel or something.
It could be. Could be the sock. The infamous sock. It also looks like it might be ooze coming through a crack in it. Pull it up close to it where we can see the edge. No, the back. That's as close as you can get. It fell in the water, didn't it?
I can push it up a little bit. Maybe.
You're a swimmer, don't you?
Yeah.
Climb out of there. Well, what can you see there? It looks like something's oozing through two pieces of pipe connected there.
This is right at a clean out, a hookup, right there. You see that opening in the top of the pipe? So there's
How many feet is that?
That's 38 feet. That's either where your RV hooks up or that's where a clean out is.
But we never got to the RV's still running. Water's still running
so
in the RV.
we haven't gotten to that yet. But what is going on here?
So that's 37 feet.
So this is the pipe that they couldn't clean out.
Well, they didn't get out that far.
Alright, I'll push past it. Yeah, that's root material, stuff coming in from outside of the pipe, pushing through those connections. That's enough to cause some blockages for sure. I don't know if I can push past that. There we go. You can see that pipe goes hookup.
Alright,
I found your RV hookup.
you able to get it over it?
We're at 66 feet now.
Oh boy.
You got quite a few of those little things pushing up in between the clay pipes. It's probably how they sealed it, but when they sealed it, they push it together and
Pushed it, if they used, I know like when they did my fireplace chimney, that stuff to the, I mean, there's really not even a fitting for that, but this has an overlap usually, right, with cast iron.
Yeah.
So that's, I want to see the main hole.
Getting there. Check that connection. It's a little bit of an offset. You can see the bottom of the next pipe sticks up a little bit.
Uh-huh.
So we call those out because we don't want stuff hitting that. You can see that water just kind of jumping over that lip.
Right.
We don't want stuff collecting there. We don't have anything big collecting there now, but we got a little bit of stuff.
What does it look like there's something pop over here?
Then another clay section here.
There's another one. That looks like it's heading down.
Yep, this is usually where it starts going into the city. This will
There
be
you
the
go.
city connection. This is a bigger pipe down here.
I'm gonna call that a mortar block. It's like when you're laying bricks, that's what oozed in there when they put that pipe in there.
See how big that pipe is now? That's city pipe.
Have you heard this thing they're talking about, the lead pipe? You know, they never made any pipe out of lead. They sealed it with lead.
Yeah.
They would melt it and pour it in the joint, lead. And
That could be that your laundry pipe looks like
yes,
that.
they heat it, and I've got some of my grandpa's stuff where he had this big cast iron spoon.
Yeah,
About that
yeah.
long. And you could put that on a fire, you can get about 1800 degrees of aluminum, it'll melt. Or lead is even less than that, but
We call it hookup or something like that.
doing that, yeah, there's some kind of fiber,
Yeah.
like Ford,
It used to be hemp, I think.
yeah, some of the Ford 6-cylinder motors have a rope seal, main bearing seal on the back end with it. Yeah. And of course, you fill that thing up with goo and heavy grease and stuff, you know, so
Yeah.
if you did it right, it wouldn't leak, but it kind of leaks something
What year truck was that? Do you remember?
back 60s,
Yeah.
late 50s. Well, it was always that way until the 50s or 60s, till they started mastering, you know, synthetic stuff. But the,
Get that wax ring on that pipe.
so you recorded all that?
Yep.
Yeah, give them a full report. I think we're A-okay for them to move in, what do you think? Something up there, toilet back in here, right?
Yeah. I think so.
If you can satisfy them, mission accomplished,
Yeah.
and you can do it, you know, you didn't have to do nothing but just, you saw it. And I can stand it on my claim of the other one, because you've seen everything at this point.
Well, yeah, besides back to the bathroom, but you said you're gonna probably replace this wax ring?
Yeah.
Okay, do you mind if I pull it up now?
No, go
It's
ahead.
getting all over my cable and it's gonna make a mess, I think.
Let's see, I brought
That pan?
well, not that pan, I had a little trowel.
Oh, I
Here
didn't.
it is.
Got it.
Thought you might be able to get that silver one out of there, sure.
Maybe. Or at least get it out of here.
We're wearing that stuff. Use that can. Use that can. That's what I brought for this mess. That'd be doing me a favor, honestly. Thanks, bro.
I'll get this stuff out of here.
Yeah, that's what you'd put on that hemp rope.
Yeah.
Crankshaft seal or some grease that's like that.
Just some thick stuff.
Yeah, some thick stuff.
We ran old steam engine tractors back in North Dakota, my dad and I, for a hobby. My great grandpa had one, so we run his. far enough open, they just sit there and drip oil on the piston and stuff. Yeah, they used to do weird stuff to keep their
Well,
stuff oiled.
I like to say it's clever, these Americans.
Yeah.
Clever.
I'm gonna grab a couple more paper towels. I don't wanna make a mess.
Here, right here. Got a couple of them. I don't know where it's at. Well, in here, it'd hurt. Well, the truth of the matter is, it would be wise to put $20 a week for whatever you're doing for pipe.
Yeah.
And weird, it's not under the deck.
Yeah. You see the pipe goes up and down a little bit in the backyard too, but
Yeah.
there's a little bit of a belly there where it's collecting water, a little bit more here, but that's likely because of that stuff pushing in.
Well, you know, that irrigation, it moves every time they irrigate. Where the hole you
Oh,
twist your
yeah.
ankle in is.
Yeah,
It
right.
moves around out there. Is that better? It's going better?
Yeah.
I'll give it some cheese on it.
Oh, it's still loaded up, but it's better. I'll wipe it off, get some ethylene or something to cut that. Yeah, see this pipe here, this is what they call the Orangeburg. This is the inside of it's all cracked out. There's parts of it that you can see are oblong, not round anymore, they're misshapen. Typically doesn't happen with a strong cast iron pipe because cast iron pipe will crack first.
Right.
It's a little bit dirty. I mean, water running right now.
Do not to the, turn it off. So we saw both of them coming in, the laundry room and the RV.
Yes.